When you hand over your credit card at a retail outlet, do you expect to be thanked by name? Probably not. But would you be impressed if they did? Probably yes. Don't retailers realise how much pleasure we derive from hearing our name? Sales assistants have your name right there in front of them on your credit card. They and their management are either A, too damn lazy, or B, too disinterested in their jobs to use that information. If I call you by name, I have your instant attention. I was having some photos printed and had to download the images to a computer in their store. I named the file Kim Illman, my name. About 10 minutes later, a staff member approached me to finalise my order and thanked me by name. I was stunned because I'd never been to that particular store. This switched-on staff member had spotted the name on the file and used the information at hand. Porters at this great hotel greet first-time guests by name. How do they recognise first-time guests? They don't. But they look at the airline baggage tags, see the name, and they use that information that's at hand and easily obtainable. It's a simple thing to do, believe me, but hardly anyone does it. Imagine the reaction you'd get from customers if you greeted or thanked 99% of them by name instead of perhaps the 1%. In my book, The Future is Customer Service, I wrote about a driveway attendant at a service station in Singapore who called every one of his 1,000 or so regulars by name. What they didn't know, nor did they need to know, was that he'd written their name on their petrol cap lids, allowing him instant access to the names. If you value your customers, find out their name and use it. I'm Kim Illman, and thank you for watching.